Right, so let me show you how to customize your charts. You want to change the background color, or you want to get rid of this grid in the background, or you want to change the color of the bars here. What you're going to do is you're going to right click on your chart and you're going to go right to the bottom to properties. And over here, you're going to go to the colors tab. And here you can see you got your background is black, your foreground is white. The foreground is basically, you see here on the right hand side, there's the values is in white. If I change this to, I don't know, that navy blue, and I click OK, you'll see that it will change the values to the navy color. Okay, obviously we don't want, if you have a black background, you definitely want it set to white. Okay, so we're going to change this back to white. And then you'll see that the colors of the bars, you can also change. You can see that the bull candle is black. Right? In other words, if the background is black and the bull candle is also black, it's going to be like a see-through candle. Right? But did you see this lime? That is the border line of the candle, the candlestick. Okay, so if I change this to black, if I set okay, the bar up, if I change that to black, you'll see that you can't see it at all now. So let me just go back here. And we need to change that to, or I can just click on reset and it will just change it back to the lime color. Okay, let me just click OK. Okay, so this is where you're going to change the colors of how you would like to see your charts. If you want to get rid of the grid in the background, you're going to right click and you're going to click on this grid and it will get rid of the grids in the background. Okay, so my chart doesn't look like this. I prefer a white background. I'll show you one of my what my setup looks like. That's basically what my charts will look like, with a white background, with the bullish, blue bullish candles and red bearish candles. That's just my personal preference. This is also the template that I've included. I'm going to show you in the next video how to install that. But this is, if I just zoom out, you'll see that this auto trend line indicator is drawing the trend line for you automatically, and then the other chart, and then the other indicator is drawing the support and resistance levels. Okay, so, but to customize your charts and your backgrounds and the color of your candles, this is where you're going to do it. You're going to go to right click and you're going to click on properties and you're going to play with these colors until it looks like something that you feel comfortable with. Okay, so in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to install the template that's available in the next lesson, as well as the two indicators.